Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys pets that are best for hatching eggs quickly in your garden. The best one, I don't have it. It's the bald eagle or the blood kiwi, or if you have both, that's good. But if you don't have them, the chicken is very easy to obtain, but it only makes it 10% faster to hatch. It's this one over here, chicken. You can also use the sunny side chicken if you have that. It was from the, I don't remember, cooking event. But there's also the Rhino now. It can have the hatch time of an egg in Getaway Garden as well. As you can see, for instance, this safari egg is at 1 hour, and this one's at 26 minutes, and because it halves the egg hatch time. So yeah, those are the pets that are very good for hatching eggs faster in Grow a Garden. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.